Meantime, evacuees from the wildfire gathered at Maui High School. They tell our sister station, KHON in Honolulu, that they barely got out with the clothes on their backs. Residents like Velma Reed say that response by officials there locally was very disorganized. She said that she was living in her car before she heard about open shelters.
You know how we found out about this? Let me tell you how we found out about this. Somebody told us that we could get gas today, and there was a volunteer who came up with a 5-gallon gas can, okay, filled our tank. Now this is after we've lived in parking lots for the last 5 days, okay? I wore a dress for 4 days. It would smell so bad it could walk by itself.
Reed says that even with the Red Cross and FEMA in Maui to help, assistance seems to be scattered and disorganized.